but about to score up pretty well here. So we reached the dispatch point and the light goes on there. I went with the light there, and from barrier 2 I think it's Brown Rose going to be first across to the pegs. Following it through there is out wide there for Graham McDermott, Aldebaran Eastwood, who's having a little bit of a look for the lead. As going off stride back in the field, Illawong Sunny, but up in front, and it's Aldebaran Eastwood forging its way to the front here from Brown Row, our equivalent to Black Caviar they tell us. Then racing third at the moment, Modern Pegasus for Mel Shaw. Racing fourth with the master aboard there, Russian Avon for Chris Lang. In turn on its back is the pole marker Bacardi Ben, Steve O'Donoghue, Beck Bartley in the TAB colours. Gee, the pace went off there, and just climbing all over the back there was the other one for Rob Caton, which is Aldebaran Seismic. The pace has dropped right off. Spider Girl's second last there, but it's about to improve quickly, I'd say. Racing second last at the moment, as I should say, is Illawong Helios. And last of all getting going after that early mistake there was Illawong Sunny. So up in front here, and I think we're going to find a new leader any moment now, with Chris Lang pressing forward with Russian Avon, and he's about to take up the running from, that was Aldebaran Eastwood, the stablemate there. Spider Girl's moved up stylishly now, putting itself right into the race as they'll come down and get the bell this time. Working to the running line, but about a length off them in the 1-1 Bacardi Ben, as the speed's gone right on with Spider Girl about to circumnavigate him and take up the running, and you'd say to be pretty hard to beat even this far out. So Spider Girl, full of running, takes up the running here and leads from in second spot there at the moment is Russian Avon. Outside them, about 2 lengths away, Bacardi Ben, shading on the inside, Aldebaran Eastwood, who's got up on the steel. Illawong Sunny's recovered nicely to be 1-1 there. Back on the inside is Brown Row. Then to the outside is Aldebaran East. Oh, I shouldn't say Aldebaran Eastwood. I'm just keeping an eye on the quarter there. And relegated to last there is Aldebaran Seismic as they head down to the bottom corner there, and I've missed the 800 by a mile there, but they'll head down the back here, and it's Spider Girl up in front, still dictating terms from Russian Avon, who got that nice run through. Just continuing to improve, Bacardi Ben up on the outside. Illawong Sunny's got a good run into it, 1-1 at the moment. Right up on the steel, as I said, Aldebaran Eastwood there, back on the pegs, through back the pegs. Cameron Maggs' horse worked into the race nicely, Illawong Helios, with 1 out 3 back there. On its back in turn is Modern Pegasus. A couple of them sneaking up the inside, Brown Row there, and last of all on the inside is Aldebaran Seismic on the corner, and you think it'd be the one to beat, Yankee Spider. It's travelling like a winner even this far out, and the Spider does it nicely. She creeps around the corner and gets a length and a quarter clear. Russian Avon's hanging onto its back there, battling away Bacardi Ben after doing a fair bit of work, but up in front it's Yankee Spider. Russian Avon's going to have one last dive, but hold together. Yankee Spider's going, Yankee Spider, Spider Girl, the Yankee Spider progeny, wins nicely. From Russian Avon, getting home for third, Aldebaran Eastwood there, and I haven't clocked the time.